The AM4 extension identifies an AutoPlay Media Studio 4 project file containing interactive multimedia presentation and autorun CD project data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or compile these interactive media project files. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling AM4 files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. AM4 Files are project files for AutoPlay Media Studio 4 by Indigo Rose, an application for creating interactive autorun, CD/DVD presentations, software installers, and multimedia kiosks. They contain page layouts, button definitions, action scripts, and media references for interactive projects. AutoPlay Media Studio AM4 files use a proprietary format, storing page canvas definitions with positioned objects button, graphics action script blocks, using a custom scripting language media file, references and project settings for compilation into standalone executables. The fundamental reading standard for AM4 is set by AutoPlay Media Studio from Indigo Rose Software Corporation. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows may give a quick look, but proper work must be done in dedicated design applications. Your reliable starting command is the Open With action. Right-click the AM4 file and select Open With. If AutoPlay Media Studio is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. If your AM4 file is not opening yet, that is normal. Due to the specificity of the AM4 format, we can't skip verification. I need you to check off these crucial steps before we attempt the solution. First, opening the project. Install AutoPlay Media Studio 4 and open the AM4 file via File then Open Project. The visual editor displays all project pages with buttons, images, and interactive elements. Edit object properties and action scripts through the visual design interface. Next, building the project. Click Build, then Build Project to compile the AM4 project into a standalone exe file or autorun CD package. Configure build settings including output format icon and splash screen. The compiled project runs independently without requiring AutoPlay Media Studio on target machines. Finally, migrating to newer versions. AutoPlay Media Studio has newer versions that may import AM4 project files. Open the project in a current version and accept any upgrade prompts. Review all page layouts and action scripts after migration, as some features may require updates for the newer version. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.